This is the Xsense Smart Driveway Alarm with base station. They sent this product to me for review after I reviewed some of their other products that I use in my home, and I really like the Xsense range of products. What's unique about this particular product is it's very dedicated in its function. I have a long driveway and I'd like to know when somebody drives up it. My office oversees my driveway, but I'm not sitting at my desk all the time. And we have a house where we would like to get an alert when somebody drives up, because we've had cases where the dog ate something that the Amazon driver delivered, or the driver doesn't want to get out of the truck because the dog is barking. So there's various reasons why we'd like to get an alert on our mobile phones anytime somebody drives up the driveway. And this product is dedicated for doing that. As usual, very good instructions from Xsense. There is a charging cable. This is the sensor. That's the eye that will sense things. And then it has a solar cell, so it will stay charged out in the field. This is the base station, also packaged very nicely. There we go. This base station is going to connect to my Wi-Fi system. There's another charging cable, and there is the mount with screws for mounting this and screwing that in outside. And then finally, it has its own charger. So I have everything out here. I'm going to follow the instruction booklet, download the app on my phone, go through the whole installation and test how the system works. As you can see, it's quite a distance back to the house from over here. However, I am going to go a little bit further down here and use one of these trees and point it across there. There's no other cars or anything that can be picked up. So we'll see if it makes across the distance to my router over there. Boy, that's very stable. All right. So there it is. The solar panel is exposed to the top. The station is pointing right at the driveway. All right, so the camera right now is over there on that tree, and I did a walk test. If I walk up here, it is not triggering. I've done it a few times, but I'll show you. I have to be about this distance. And right there, it's triggered, and this is the alarm I'm getting on my phone. So I guess about 10 feet to the camera is what I need to be. So I'm gonna go to a tree on this side where I'm roughly that distance from the driveway. We'll see how that works. All right. So we'll do another test. All right, so I have it on this tree over there, much closer to the driveway. It's about the same distance away from the house. I'll do the walk test and see if it triggers. Perfect. All right, so my wife volunteered to drive the car up and down the driveway so we can make sure it's working. Here she comes. And there's my alarm. Works perfectly. So this product is definitely in my house. All right, so the first step is to scan the QR code. There it is for the App Store. And there's the Xsense Home Security app. So I'm going to download that. All right, so I'm going to open the app and allow notifications. And I'm going to use an email address to create an account. All right, so I had to put in a verification code and my account is created. There's the notification. And now I can log in. Good, so there's my app. So the next step is to connect the base station to a power source, which I have done over here. All right, so the next step is to click the plus sign in the app. And in my case, I'm going to scroll down to base stations. And I'm looking for the SB-S50. There it is. And it's asking me to scan the QR code on the back. All right. So it's given its own name, and I will give the house a name, and selecting the room that it's in this case the guest bedroom. All right, so now it tells me to push this button on the base station and hold it for 5 seconds. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn on the base, then press and hold the button. Oh, there it is. It's flashing. Good. Operation confirmed. Next. All right, it's asking for my Bluetooth, which I turned on earlier. And it's asking for my Wi-Fi network. And I'm going to enter the password. It's asking to confirm the Wi-Fi password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Whoa! All right, so we have some success here.
Wi-Fi connected.
Well, that was easy enough. Let's see what the next step is. So I click finish, and now my base station is fully installed. Now we're going to connect the driveway alarm to the base station. So we're going to go back to the app. Let's see. Hit the plus sign again and look for driveway alarms. And there it is. And now I'm going to quickly press this button twice. It's there. 1, 2. And this turns blue. Wait for the LED indicator flashes blue and type next.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
Well, that was easy. So it says the device was added, the driveway alarm has been added, its LED indicator will flash red when the device is triggered, but app push notifications have not been enabled. To receive app push notifications, please follow the instructions below to complete the installation setup. So I'll go do that. And here it's giving me all the instructions on what to do next. Do a signal test. So a signal was tested and normal transmission was established. So now I can go ahead and finish the installation outside. Yeah, motion test successful. All right, so we did a motion test and established that it was successful. The driveway alarm was triggered. Congratulations, the installation is finished. And there's my first notification that it was triggered. Excellent.